am very excited to show you a great DIY I came up with. It is glow-in-the-dark clay. So I hope you like this video, and let's get started. Things you will need to make glow-in-the-dark clay are a bowl, a spoon, 6 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of lotion, and 2 tablespoons of glow-in-the-dark pigment powder. First, take your bowl and add in your 2 tablespoons of glow-in-the-dark pigment powder. Then add in 6 tablespoons of your flour. Then mix it until it is well combined. Once it is well combined, add in your 2 tablespoons of lotion. Then mix it as much as you can until you can't anymore. Then use your hands to mix the rest until it is well combined. You can also add any extra flour or lotion if needed. This is air-dry clay, so it does not need to be baked and can be stored for up to 2 weeks in an airtight container or plastic wrap. And that's it! Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you next Friday around 3 o'clock. Bye!